Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Sam Cox, and today we're diving into one of the most important aspects of running a dealership, and that's the culture of the store. All right, so let's be honest. The difference between a dealership that thrives and one that struggles often comes down to the culture. It's not just about hitting those numbers, it's about creating an environment where your team wants to show up, perform, and overall grow. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to cover what a high performance culture is, why it's critical to your dealership, how to map out your current culture so you know where to improve, and the 3 actions you can take today to strengthen your team's culture. By the end, what I'm hoping is that you'll have the tools to turn your dealership into a place where people are motivated to give their best every day, okay? Every deal, every day. So first, let's talk about what a high performance culture actually means in a dealership setting. All right, a high performance culture is an environment where your team consistently delivers results that feel supported and motivated. All right, it's about creating a workspace where people don't just meet expectations, but they exceed them. There's 3 key elements that go into the culture of it, okay? That's having clear values. Everyone in your team understands where the dealership stands and what they stand for. Their trust and collaboration. Your sales, service, and F&I teams work together seamlessly instead of blaming each other when something goes wrong. Sound familiar? And commitment to excellence. Your team constantly looks for ways to improve, whether it's closing deals or boosting CSI or increasing the PVR. Okay, think about the top performing dealerships you know. They didn't get there by accident. They build a strong culture that drives results, and that's exactly what we're going to help you do. That's the process that we took numerous dealerships, and I took 2 personally, to 800% growth. The first step to improving your culture is figuring out where it stands today. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little exercise here called culture mapping. And here's how it works. All right, so number 1, we want to identify the key behaviors. So I want you to write down 3 to 5 behaviors you see in your dealership. So for example, how's your sales team handle competition? How's your service team resolve customer complaints? How does your F&I team celebrate wins? Number 2, let's link those behaviors to values. Ask yourself, what values are driving these behaviors? Are they positive values, like teamwork and accountability, or are they driven by fear? Number 3, let's connect the values to outcomes. Look at the results these behaviors are producing. So like, for example, if your team is prioritizing speed over quality, are you seeing some mistakes or lower CSI scores? Let's say your sales team is highly competitive, but that competition sometimes leads to like fighting amongst them. The behavior might stem from the value of ambition, but the outcome could be a lack of collaboration and overall sales being lower than what they should be. Take a few minutes, either now or after this video, to map out your team's culture. It's an eye-opening experience that will show you exactly what's working and really honestly what needs to change. Once you've mapped your culture, all right, now it's time to focus on your core values. These are the values you want your dealership to embody every single day. And here's how to define and refine your values. Right? Define your top 3 values. What do you want your dealership to stand for? Like examples could be transparency, teamwork, or that customer first service. 2, assess alignment. Look at your culture map. Are the behaviors you see aligned with these values? If not, it's time to adjust them. 3, reinforce your values. Make your values part of your daily operations. For example, if teamwork's a value, create opportunities for your sales and service teams to collaborate. If transparency is a value, share your dealership's performance metrics with the whole team so they feel invested in the results. Don't try to keep everything, so close, tight, and to where everything's such a secret. Your values should be more than just words on the mission statement. They should show up in how your team works every single day. Notice I keep saying that, every single day. Now let's talk about action. Here are the 3 simple things you can do today to start building that high performance culture in your dealership that everybody's craving. 1, celebrate the wins. When your team hits a goal, whether it's closing a big sale, increasing service revenue, or improving CSI scores, acknowledge it and celebrate it no matter what. All right? Recognition motivates people to keep performing. Whether you think it's a small win or not, still celebrate it. Encourage feedback. Create a culture where your team feels safe to share their ideas or their concerns. What this is going to do will lead to better communication and fewer misunderstandings. Invest in development. Offer training and growth opportunities for your team, whether it's sales training or leadership coaching. Showing that you care about their development goes a long way. It's where 800% comes in. These small actions, when done consistently, will transform how your team works and how your dealership performs. Okay, so here's your challenge for the week. Take 15 minutes to map your dealership's culture out. Look at the behaviors, values, and outcomes, and then write down those 3 actions and you can take them to strengthen your culture. And then drop one of your actions in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're working to build a high performance culture at your dealership. So either drop it below or message me directly. If this video was helpful, man, don't forget, I want you to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a leadership tip from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week when we tackle some accountability frameworks for dealerships. Let's grow together and win the day.